In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to n8n through a step-by-step guide that ensures your settings are configured correctly and efficiently. First, let's dive into n8n. Begin by heading over to the Workflows section within your n8n platform. This is your starting point for setting up an automated connection with Calendly. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new workflow. It's usually at the top of your workflow page, so give that a click. Afterward, you will see a plus button. Clicking this button allows you to add a new node to your workflow, which is exactly what we need to search for Calendly. Now, within the search field, type in Calendly. This helps n8n locate the specific integration node we need to proceed. Once found, click on the Calendly node to select it. Now, you're given various trigger options, and for this walkthrough, we'll focus on the onEventCreated trigger. This option is perfect for those looking to automate actions whenever a new Calendly event is scheduled. Next, head over to the credentials section. It's vital here to have the right authentication set up so your n8n and Calendly can communicate seamlessly. Click on the section for credentials, and if you haven't already set one up, you'll need to create a new credential. For connectivity purposes, choose OAuth 2 from the list of authentication methods. This ensures a secure channel for your data. Switch over to Calendly and navigate to the Integrations and Apps section in your settings. Here, you should type highlight to easily find what you need, and then proceed to find and click on the API and webhooks option. Once there, select OAuth again. You might see multiple options related to OAuth. Make sure to choose the one tied with API and webhooks. You're likely to see a spot that says, Get Started here. Click that link, which will redirect you to the Calendly developer portal. If you're not yet logged in, this is the point to do so. You can use your Google account to sign in easily. Once logged in, follow the prompts to link your accounts by choosing your preferred email. Next, look for the option to create a new app within the developer portal. Give your new app an appropriate name. This step helps you organize your integrations better in the future. Remember to click the option to copy your URIs from n8n. Now paste this URI back into the developer portal's designated area. Save your settings and then make sure to copy both the client ID and the client secret, which are crucial for the integration process. Return to n8n, where you will paste the client ID and client secret into their respective fields. Double check to ensure they are correct. This is crucial for establishing a successful connection. Lastly, click on Connect My Account. That's it. You have now successfully connected Calendly to n8n. This integration will streamline scheduling automation between the two platforms, optimizing your workflow seamlessly.